Assalamu Alaikum, traders. Welcome back to Gold Sniper XAU. Right now, we're watching the XAUUSD Gold market. And clearly, the market was in a strong downtrend. Lower highs, lower lows. Sellers were completely in control. Price kept pushing down aggressively, candle after candle, until finally, it tapped our key support zone. Now, this level was very important because price had reacted here multiple times before. So instead of chasing the market like beginners, we stayed calm, we stayed patient, and we waited for confirmation. No rush, no emotions. Then, buyers stepped in. We saw clear rejection from the zone. That was our signal. We executed a clean buy entry with proper risk management. Stop loss safely below support. Target next resistance area. Simple, logical, professional, no guesswork, no random trades, only high probability setups. And as you can see, price respected the level perfectly. Momentum shifted. Buyers took control. And boom, take profit, hit cleanly. This is the power of patience and discipline. Remember, traders, we don't trade every move. We trade only A-plus setups. If you want these kinds of clean, high probability entries daily, join our free Telegram Signal group. Link is in the description and pinned comment. Trade smart, manage your risk, and I'll see you in the next setup.